Good morning, everyone. My name is Teacher Juan David, and today I'm going to show you how to finish the project that we've been working from day one. Yes, and it's the project of the big book. So I'm going to show you some examples of how you can make your own book. Yes, make sure that you have all your pages with you, and then just look at this. Okay, so here I can show you the book that I made on my own. Yes, as you can see, I took some of the pages of the book that we made and I pasted on a cardboard piece. Yes, can you see? I paste all of my pages on a cardboard and then I open some holes on each one of the on one of the edges of the page and then I put them together at the end. Yes? As you can see, here is the cover page all about me, the page that talks about my family, my self-portrait, how I eat, my living friend, and my needs, and finally, this is where I live. Yes, those are all the pages of our book. So you can do as I did. You can follow my example. Yes, you can follow my example for doing this, or you can use your own imagination for doing your own book. Yes, so what are we going to do with the book? We're going to make a short presentation, a short video presenting the book. Yes, right now I'm going to show you one example on how you should do it. Hello, my name is Juan David, and this is my book all about me. Here is my family. Here you can see my self-portrait. Here you can see how I eat, the things I like and the things I don't like. Here is my living friend, a plant. These are my needs. And this is where I live. Thank you. Goodbye. So that was an example of what you have to do. You have to make a short video presenting your book. Yes, that's it. You make the video where you present your book page by page, and then you upload it to ClaseWeb, and that's it. Okay, you can upload your video to YouTube and then send the link, or you can upload the video directly into ClaseWeb. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching me, and I'll see you around. Goodbye.